Yo, it's the Rasta Kountry, motherfucker, bro. We got another one, right? So, y'all see the tusks on him? Let me show y'all. Ooh, the joker getting lively, ain't it? But he getting lively. Oh, stay right there. There you go. There you go. Look at him bite. You gotta hold that right there. Keep his eye away. Keep his eye away. Motherfucker bite. Bitch biting. He's biting. Look how long that bitch is. Hold him. There you go. Hold it good like that. That's how you take down some tusks on the boar. Go a little deep. Yeah. Go a little deep. Alright. Shit. Alright, open them all out there. Yeah.
Want me to use it and put it on there?
Yeah.
I know you don't want to stick it right here.
That's alright. Just open them all. Keep them all open. You good. I'm gonna use it. I need some shot on it. I need some shot on it.
Nah, just tie it like right around your finger. You know what I'm
That
talking
shit
about?
gonna hurt. Hold on.